Okay, so I'm gonna do Nikki's meatball and potatoes, Greek meatball and potatoes. Let me cut that. A ton of you wanted the recipe. My scissors are always somewhere where they shouldn't be. So we always use, we try to eat clean meat, but it's organic from Costco. Let me just drain some of it, because, well, that didn't work out the way I wanted it. So I just came home from work, hour and a half drive from Innisfil. Anybody else can't touch meat with like their raw hands and stuff? Anyway, I'll pat it. I put gloves on just cause. I got all fancy. I put you on a stand, on a tripod. I can only put it on that angle because, you know, the cupboards. Okay, well, I'll have to do it in multiple sections. Okay, we'll throw that out. Dab, dab, dab. So gross. Okay, do I have any garbage here? I guess I should have changed, but I didn't. So 1 cup of these breadcrumbs. They did it Italian style. Now, it's 1 cup of mushrooms. When I saw this recipe, I was like, this is so weird. I've never really made meatballs before, but now we're addicted to this. I have a company coming over tomorrow, so I wanted to make it for them. Okay, where's the lid? I'm gonna zit them. Oh, big ones. There's big ones. Get a spatula. I know this is more than 1 cup. I just use the whole package. Like, what am I gonna do with mushrooms? Like a little bit of them. So I put the whole thing in. I'll get the rest when I do the tomatoes and the onions, but there's some big ones. I'm gonna throw it in there so the tomatoes. Okay, is it still recording? Now it's recording. I don't know why it keeps turning off. I'm recording, so why are you turning off? Okay, let me get rid of these for now. So 2 tomatoes, blend it up. I love this thing. Okay. Do the onions. 2 onions. I'm gonna zit. Oh, maybe they're too big. Well, that's what she said. Marinating all night. Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, I'm crying. I got tears. Don't cry. Dry your eyes. Here comes your mother with those 2 little guys. Who remembers that? Fuck. My brother and I do a great karaoke session. Oh, I'm crying. I can't see what I'm doing. Fuck me. Okay. Oh my God. Where's the parsley? I thought I took it out. Oh my God. Fucking strong onions. Oh. Okay, let me throw this shit out. Good thing, because I forgot the eggs. Oh, I got tomato juice on there. Holy shit. 2 eggs. I can literally hear them outside. Oh my God. Okay, parsley, 1 cup. I'm just cutting a shit ton because who's got time for chopping this stuff? Not me. Oh my God. Oh, look at my eyes. Oh, between my nose and my eyes. Shit. Oh, okay. So we got the parsley, the onions, the tomatoes. Oh my God. I can't see shit. Oh. Oh my God. Fuck, that's strong onions. I'm literally crying. These onions were like the strongest ever. Oh my God. Okay. Throwing everything in the sink. Okay, now we need oregano, salt. Ain't no Greek restaurant. Ain't no Greek recipe without oregano. Freehand it. 1, 2, and a touch for good luck. Salt, a little bit extra. Salt is good for you. I don't want to hear it. What a mess. Okay. Breadcrumbs in, eggs in, oregano in, onions, tomatoes, parsley, and the meat. Now we squish. Oh, this will stay in the fridge all night. I have to say, I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it again. I don't care if you don't like the word. They're moist. So moist. Oh my God, my eyes are still going. I can't see. I literally can't see. Oh my God. I want this to be over. I swear I love cooking. But these onions, there's a big chunk. We'll get rid of that. Okay, I'm done. So this is gonna sit in the fridge all night. And then I'll be back tomorrow. Oh my God. For forming them, and then the potatoes that go with it. It all goes into one. Okay, look at me. I can't even see. Wait, I wanted to come back and show you. This is what it looks like. Okay, in the fridge all night long. All night long, all night. La-di-da-di. We like to party. We don't carve bubbles. We don't bother nobody. Now that's in my head because I said, don't cry, dry your eye. Here comes your mother with the two little guys. Who knows that song? Haha.